Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Online Marketing. In today's video, I am going to share with you social bookmarking site list 2022. This is high DAPA authority website list I have prepared just for you, right? And as we all know, like who are doing, backlink generation or off-page activity of SEO, they all know that submitting any link to any website is very simple, right? You have your links, description, then title and tags. But what is difficult or cumbersome or time consuming is that making the data sheet for particular activity. For example, for submitting social bookmarking sites, we have some high DAP authority websites so that we can submit uh, the links to that social bookmarking site. So but we don't, if we don't have that data sheet of social bookmarking site list, then we have to search first the list, then for each and every website we have to check its DAPA spam score, and then we make data sheet and then we will ready to submit the link. But think friends, if you have the ready-made list of or data sheet for the social bookmarking site, then your timing for searching is saved, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you this social bookmarking site list, and now you just don't have to search for the data or sites, right? Just what you have to do is just I'm going to provide you this Google Sheet link of my 30 plus high DAPA social bookmarking site 2022 in the description box of this video. Okay, what you have to do is just you have to copy this link, then go to the you know Google or address bar, just paste it and enter. You will see the 30 plus high DAPA social bookmarking site list 2022. Okay, so now you have the uh, a list with DAPA and spam score. Yeah, you just have, what you have to do is now just go to the file, then go to the download. You can have so much options. You can download in Microsoft Excel, you can download in open document, PDF, web page, or other two. So I'm selecting Microsoft Excel. You just have to select it, right? And your here you can see the your list is downloaded. So the most important factor is of this data sheet is I have mentioned all the DAPA and spam score of each and every social bookmarking site. As we all know, for high authority backlink, your DAPA should be greater than 20 or 35 plus, and your spam score should be less than 20. Then and then only you will get the high authority backlink. So please consider every time while submitting any link that you have to check its DAPA and spam score. In my list I have already done this, so you need not uh, go for this. You just take this links, just paste it and submit your links, right? So in this video I have shown you the practically how to download these links from the Google Sheet. And in my next video also I'm going to share with you image sharing sites, then with high authority like high DAPA and spam score mentioned in the list, then how to do image sharing I will share with you in my upcoming video. If you want such a type of videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified about my new videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Online Marketing. I will see you next time with next video. Till then, bye, take care and be happy. And also you can check my previous previous videos. In that I have provided director submission list for year 2022. You can download these links from my previous videos I will give you the link for the director submission list in this video also. Please check the description box, and you will get your two list, director submission list and social bookmarking submission site list with high DAPA. Thank you.